Just waiting on us to figure it out. Zachary, real fast. I might be taking this change of state depending on whichever way it goes. I might, yeah. 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 I think it's gonna go up too. I haven't put it in yet, but I'm just waiting for this candle to close. I'm gonna do it. TP will be at, first one will be at Asia High. Yeah, and then after that, it'll be probably 50 points, and then after that, 100, and then see if we can just ride it. That'd be sick if we could get like a $300 dub and a pass right off open. No. I'll take one at Asia Low, one at 50 points, and then, well, I guess maybe one at 100. Yeah, that would be full TP. Yeah. Yeah. Well, first is Asia Low. Or high, I mean Asia High. I mean, like yesterday, I mean, they literally took like 2 candles and it went 100 points, so. All right. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, put it in. Okay, we're tapped in. We might get stopped out. Oh my gosh. Well, I only lost 28 bucks. That was so cool. Let's see. Oh, I tapped into London High. That's what it did. As soon as it hit London High, it literally went bink. Dang. There's a lot of sell orders there. The nice thing, honestly, is that it didn't go way up in profit before it went down. It just went straight down so that we didn't lose much drawdown. Yeah, which is that's not bad. Holy crap. It's hitting into an hour fair value. Oh my. Dude, this candle. Yeah, dude, why did we go short? Oh my, this is a 53-point candle right now. So sick. That's so cool. Good morning. Who's that? Hey, what's up, Shankle? Oh my. Bro, this is a 70-point candle. Yeah, I know, right? Like, why couldn't it have done what it did yesterday? Dude, London had a crazy amount of sell orders. Bro, that candle literally went to London high and almost straight to London low. In one candle, it took an entire session's move. That is the nice thing about the change in state, though. We only lost 28 bucks. Holy smokes. I'm going to try to take the inversion. Yeah, I mean, yesterday's inversions all worked. Full TP for me is going to be at 1.5. And the hop loss. What is the stop loss? I put it all up here. 319. I don't know. The stop loss is bad. Yeah. I'll try to do the change in state. See if we get tapped in on that. That's way better. I doubt it'll hit, but it could. That's, yeah, because that a 70-point stop loss is, that would hurt. Good. Maybe we'll get a change of state too here on this candle. This is what's normal. This is like the normal type of trading. As I told you, when we get back to normal, you're going to see the way it moves and you're going to be like, oh, this is... Because like once it figures out which way it wants to move, it's nice. Especially when you can catch that candle. Like when you can get in and then it does that for you. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, we would have hit 2 TPs already. Yeah. Hey Slayer, good morning. I know that candle was crazy, dude. The candle was insane. That's every Monday, same thing. Monday was like another Monday's candle. I think was even bigger than this one. Yeah, Monday's candle was these. The 9:30 candle was. Yeah, oh, a little smaller, 45 points. The first 2 candles on Monday were, it was insane. If we get a fair value gap here, I'm gonna delete my order. Because honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it reverses here and goes up, because we just tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap, and it looks like we might be bouncing off that. I'm gonna delete my order. See if we get an inversion or a change in state, and then I'll take whichever one. The only thing for a short I don't love is that the only target for a short is London low or the day low. I don't know if we're gonna go much lower than London low. Even this change in state has a wide stop. You never tap this in. No. You're talking about the inversion? Yeah, it hasn't happened yet. That's 50. Liquidity. Yeah. Still better than that. In that inversion. The thing here is we got two options. You got an inversion and you got a change in state. Yeah. Yeah. It is a 25-point candle. 25 points. Let's see, does that inversion work? No, it hasn't hit yet. No, it hasn't hit yet. I don't know, it's at London low. It could flip here. That's why I was kind of nervous to take that inversion, because I was like, it could hit 1.5, but the London low could completely stop it. And if it wants to flip here at London low, it can flip very fast. Oh yeah, shoot. Yeah, I put my sell order in for the change in state. I don't know if we're gonna get tapped in though. Thank you so much, Morizilla. Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate you. Stoked to have you here. We should be entering in a trade if it taps us in, but it looks like it's not going to tap us in here. Oh, dude, 1.5 is about to hit. No, not yet. It got very close, though. What just happened? Thank you so much for the follow. Yeah, I can see the chat. I can see the chat. Thank you. There goes a hit. Dude, it's a lock. I'm gonna... It was that stop loss. I've been risking almost $400 on that stop loss. About to go to day low. Well, we're trying to be smart. But hey, next time we know. I'm gonna take a note of that. Stream's going great, dude. It's a good morning. There's another inversion happening here, Zachary. I think I'm gonna try to see if this inversion will work. Yeah, yeah. These stops are so wide. It's $460 risk. That's the nearest stop loss spot. Full TP. Yeah, mine makes 230. But the nice thing is 1.5 is at the day low pretty much. Yeah. Because if you remember like yesterday and stuff too, like all these inversions, once it did it, it kept going. Holy crap. Dude, this, oh my. I don't know. Jeez. Yeah, I'm from the West Coast. Yeah, that'd have been sick. Well, all right, well, I guess I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna take full TP at 1.5. I know, me too. No way, you did not just not tap me in. Oh my gosh, there's a point off. No, I'm pretty sure that's a point. 2.25 points. Yeah, it looks like we might not get tapped in on this one either. Dang. Yeah, it's going. Oh my. They didn't tap us in. I'm gonna cancel my order. It's pretty much the TP already. Oh, dude, that would have been literally one candle. One candle, one and done. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But honestly, I think what we might, because it's almost to the day fair value gap. There's a huge day fair value gap that it's almost to. It's got 13 more points to go. That day fair value gap could bring a crazy reversal. Yeah, it just tapped in the fair value gap, and I think it just hit 1.5. Bro, it works. I think that's what's getting me most excited. It works, dude. That works. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, the 1.5 though works. All right. It's 2 points away. I think though we're about to get a good reversal. Like a reversal that retraces this entire move. Hey, Mars Zalisa. I'm not looking for anyone to sell me anything in my chat, so I'm already affiliated on Twitch, so please don't do that. Holy. Yeah, like say if we just let it run. Sell 3. All right. Yeah, I know. I just did it. I'd have been where it's currently at $1,000. Okay. Dang it. All right, that's good to know though. I'm taking note of that for next time that this thing. Holy smokes. Well, this is a day fair value gap, so you can't consider it to invert a day fair value gap because it has to invert on that time frame. Oh, yeah. I mean, dude, this is another huge candle. This candle's 109 points. No, I'm not gonna sell on this one because it's over almost a 200-point stop loss. Yeah, this stop loss would be 202 points. I'm not gonna do that. And we're in that day for value gap. I'm gonna look for a reversal now. It could still go down lower, but I just don't want to risk 202 points to make 20 or 30 points. That's a terrible trading model. All right. Love you. All right, we can delete all. Yeah, that's what now I'm looking for. No, we don't suck. I mean, how are we supposed to know from market open that first candle it's gonna go 203 points? Yeah, the model, yeah. I think what we're about to get though is going to be a pretty good setup because it'll probably accumulate right here for a little bit in this fair value gap, give us a nice type change in state, and then catch it, see how high, however high it goes. But hour candle, yeah. Let's see. There we go. There we get a change in state right here. That'd be sick. That'd be much tighter. There was a point of control below us that we could target. I think it's the previous weak point of control. Yeah. I mean, each candle is 100 points. I just think now it is because you're in that fair value gap, that day fair value gap. But a lot of times on a lower time frame, it'll break out of it, but it comes right back in it because it's just creating the day wick. It's 50 points. Yeah. Makes sense. Generational. That is true. That'd be a lot of money on 35 in Q. Oh my gosh. All right, minute 45. Might get a change in state here. Just the position. Yeah, if you present, we can see your screen, then we can actually like help you. How they intend to do it. 2, 1. Nope. All right, give us a change in state to upside now. Give us something. Yep, that'd be. That's what I want. That's what I want right here. Yeah. Yeah, if it inverts all these, like, because it's on the day for value. Dude, if it reverses here, oh, this could be good. He's muted. The thing is for that inversion, our stop loss would still be all the way up at the top here, technically. The black line. Yep, the black one. That's the order block. Yeah. Yeah. Might not. I'm gonna do the change the state. First TP for me will be 50 points. Then next TP will be 100, and then after that, I'll just hold it. Hopefully. All right. Yeah. Yeah. And then if we get inversions, I'm gonna add like we did yesterday. It's 100 points. Okay. Even this trade, I'm risking 225 bucks. Even these little candles are still pretty big. Imagine this candle inverts the just fire. This is all the way up. All right, my order's in. Oh, chat. Now that 60-point stop in the first candle seems small. That's good. Why not us? Next thing will probably be yeah, another huge stuff. Or another change in state. That could be cool too. Give us a little bearish call. Give us just a little. Alright, I'm gonna delete my order just because there's a fair value up above it now. Oh yeah, I wanted to check on the 1 minute up on the top. I wanted to see what happened on the 1 minute market open. And the change in state and another change in state. It'd be really hard to catch that short. Who? Yeah, so he took the short this morning. He has a thing called the one candle rule that he used, and he got the short, but he wasn't alive. He's live tomorrow. He just showed us a picture of his, you know. Nate's in a long right now. He's like up fat. What happened? But like, what maybe did you do? Okay. He goes like, why am I up $1 million in the account? Okay, there you go. Oh, he bought and sold something. Oh, you're on the 1 minute time frame. You bought and sold something. Hey, Shankle, see the little arrow? Yeah, press that and then go account summary. Oh, you lost money. Oh, you lost a lot of money. Press account summary. Right there. Right next to you. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you lost $1,300. What did you do? You might. So it looks like you accidentally bought and then, or you, go orders, the one right next to it, and then go filled. No, you went long and then you sold your position. Oh, you bought 6. Oh wow. Okay, you bought 6 in Q and then you immediately sold it. Yeah, you like did it at. Okay. Were you messing with the trade panel on the right hand side? It looks like you might have accidentally initiated a buy. Yeah. Yeah, just like what you're doing is perfect. We can help you now. Yeah. Shankle, do you have a mouse or are you like what kind of computer are you on? Oh, you guys are Macs. Do you have a mouse? Oh, you do. Okay, right click the screen real fast, right where you're at. Oh, perfect. Okay, so see on your screen where it says sell 6 in Q at X price and limit. Don't press that, but that's how you'll initiate an order. So in the future, when we do it, like click on it now, you won't actually sell. Just click it. So see how it has like the stop loss and take profit now? See that TP and SL? Don't press the big sell button, but see the TP. So if it TP is your take profit, stop loss is where it'll stop you out so you don't lose too much money. So when we go to open up a position, you'll use that right there. So if I say, hey, Shankle, I'm going to go short, you're going to do a sell order just like you are right now. But if I say, hey, Shankle, I'm going long, you're going to want to make sure it's a buy limit. Okay? Does that make sense? So see the little X? Or yeah, you can just cancel it like that. There's also right click again. Put buy limit. Press the buy limit. And see the little X on the far right hand corner? The little tiny X? You could also just press that. So click that. There you go. Now it's gone too. I know that'd be sick. Yeah, give us a change in state and yes, yeah. That's where we execute all of our positions. Yeah. This one gives us 1. All right. Schenkel, we might, in the next 2 minutes, we might be getting what's called a change in state of delivery. And I'll be putting a long order in. So a buy limit. So if you go under price, like where price is currently at, and right click. Yeah, go underneath and right click. It doesn't have to be close. It could be anywhere underneath. And then right click. Yep. And then press buy limit. Now, because you accidentally bought, click on the number. The number, yep. And then change it to like 3. Yep. And then just click anywhere on the screen. Okay, and then drag your limit up to the black candle line. Does that make sense? Like yep, drag it up to the body of that black candle next to you. Not the wick, the body of it. So a little lower. Yep, right there. And then drag the SL to the wick below you on that same candle. The stop loss. The SL. The little SL right there. Yep. Drag that to the wick of the same candle on the below you. Yep. Keep going. Keep going a little lower. You want to get it to the wick of that candle that you put the limit on. A little lower. Right there. Like right there. Yep. And so we're not going to initiate the buy limit yet unless it gives us the change in state, which I don't think it is. But that's how you kind of set up a position right there. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like we're going to cancel this order. It's not going to actually give it to us. All right, I'm going to cancel this one. So you can just cancel that and then see if it gives it some. It should give us something soon. All right, come on, give us a change and stay here. You bouncing that 5-minute fair value gap. It'll bounce out and give us a change in state. Maybe the next candle will give it to us. Bouncing out of that fair value gap. So in the 1 minute created a unicorn here, a unicorn here. Oh dude, it tapped in the 1 minute unicorn. Oh my. Dude, these 1 minute unicorns, Zachary, are working. Yeah, this one right here. So this one worked. This one, you would have got. This one, you would have got your signal here that the unicorn is valid. This candle would have tapped you in, and then you would have hit for 50 points already. This unicorn here would have just tapped you in. So you got this one here. And then it created it on this candle. This candle would have tapped you in. You wouldn't have been up as nice, but it's like doing well. Oh my gosh, dude. That I need to start back testing those unicorns. Okay, well, let's everybody get a change in state on this one. Yep, scroll down. Yeah, there you go. Make him a little, yeah, there you go. You can see more of your screen. And then use the bottom number, Shankle, to scroll. Like, so like scroll up on the bottom numbers, a little on the time, yeah, bottom numbers, and then scroll with those to make them wider so they're not so small for you. Other way, yep, there you go. And then drag, yeah, there you go. So just you get an easier and bigger picture of the candle. Yep. Buy limit. Yep. Yeah, there you go. We have a safe learning environment. Did you set up his TradeEvade for the? Sweet. Okay. That's perfect. The big blue buy button. Not yet. Don't do it yet, but. I'll let you know if I click buy a Shankle. Shankle's like, cool. Bro, if Shankle starts trading with us and it's us three, dude, we're gonna be laughing so much during trading. No, just the three of us. We're like, when us three are always together, we're always like crying, laughing. All right, 8 seconds. I'm gonna click buy. I'm clicking buy. I did it. I pressed it. Oh, dude, it's gonna invert. Watch and not do it. Daddy, please come back down. I know it won't give it to us. When we're trying to be actually like good traders, you know, like smart, it's like, nah. I need you to be stupid. I need you to be a degenerate and risk everything. Yeah. It might not give it to us and actually just invert. No. So you need price to, yeah. So we need price to come tap us in before we're actually in the trade. Shankle, when you know you're in a trade, you see where it says buy limit on your little blue line. Instead, if you're actually in a trade, it'll be numbers that are changing. So it should be green or red, and it'll be showing you like your P&L. That's how you know you're actually in a trade. Yeah. I think if we take this inversion, Zachary, I'm gonna do at 1.5. I'm gonna take off 2 contracts and just leave 1, or like 90% of my contract or position. Well, that's not 90. That's like 60 something percent of my position. I mean, I only have 3 contracts, so 2/3. That's a better term. Yeah. Here, click. I'll fix it for him. Click it on the. Now click the settings cog. See that settings cog that popped up? See where it says 2px, like on the top of your screen. There's that little octagon looking thing, the settings cog. Yep, click that. And then see where it says extend lines right? Click that. There you go. And then press OK. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Other way. Yeah, we still got him. Yeah, it'll make it way easier. I deleted it already. I don't think it will.
Order filled.
I'm in my position. I think he's talking to someone. Order filled. I did what? At 1.5? 2. So 2 of my 3. So if you have 6, I would say sell 4. Yeah, and hopefully that one or hopefully we get that one and then it inverts the next one. We can add another contract and then just keep doing it. Oh, we lost Nate. Oh no, that sucks. Nate, you alright? Your Wi-Fi messing up? Yeah, but we should be... Honestly, what will probably come next is a change in state. And then another inversion. So he'll have more opportunities. Oh, no way. Did NQ not tap us in? Did it? Yeah, I don't think my NQ tapped me in. Oh no, it did. It is in. Oh, TradeSyncer always scares me when it doesn't show that it. There'll be more trade opportunities that are above us, Shankle, so you'll have another one. So Shankle, see on my screen how there's now like the P&L on my order, and there's like you see all that stuff. Ooh, 1.5 is near. I can taste it. Let's see. Trade of it. All right, we're halfway to funded. Being funded. I think if we hit 1.5, we are funded. Oh, login is. That sucks. She's probably in. If we're in, she's probably in. No. TradeOvate. Remember, Apex has a specific login for your TradeOvate. Yes, yeah. We're halfway to funded, dude. Halfway there. So if we're halfway from there to there was 14 points. So we did. Yeah, 1.8 should fund us. Or 1.5 should fund us. How did that happen? Oh, dude, your multiplier was different. Your multiplier's 2x, right? Oh, okay. I was gonna say if you did 2x, that makes sense. Because you're opening up. They need a little bit higher. You probably need like 2 to get funded on that. Which should. No, you should be fine because you'll still have 2 in queue running, so you should be okay. It was that little loss we took. Yeah, you lost on 6 in queue. What? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that's because the way TradeSyncer is going to fill, it's going to be different. Sometimes, yeah, it can. Oh, this is... Don't go into drawdown. So, give us an order block. Just don't go too far down. Yeah, me too. That little. I was at $500 left in drawdown. That was close. Okay. That's what I want. I'm like, give us a little order block here. We can move our stops up. And then run to 1.5. Oh, that's not good. I have $100. Oh, we're that got left. Yeah, lost that. Give us this order block. He's like, I watched it. If you could get a change in state here that taps you in, you actually might be okay. And it's about to give us an order block too. I think we're gonna get an order block. That's what I think we're gonna get. Give us a breakaway gap, and then give us an order block. Unicorn worked. This bullish unicorn didn't get tapped in, but you've already used these two. Yeah. 20 seconds. Okay, close to our TP. We might hit TP in this candle. Oh, too bad it didn't do that before the little drawdown. Schenkel. Yeah, we're still in that trade. Yeah, Schenkel, you're potentially gonna get an opportunity here. So you want to put your buy limit at 1045 candle body, and then the 1050 candle wick at for your stop loss. Do you want to share your screen with us so we can help you? You have 2 minutes. No, you're not. Oh, wait, is that you? Oh, that's you on... Wait, or is that Zachary? Yeah, I don't see your screen, Schenkel. Let's go. Hit our first TP. There you go. Now you're shooting. Yeah, perfect. Yep, buy limit. And then move your limit up. Yep. To the black candle no, the body of the black candle. That first black. Yep, up a little higher. Up higher. The other candle body. The one right to left of it. Yep, a little higher, the top of the body of that candle. Yep, right there. Yep. And then stop loss to the wick of the second black candle. Yep, a little lower. Right there. Yep. And I'll let you know if you should click the buy button to initiate the transaction, okay? Yeah, just take it all the way up like that. Yeah, perfect. I'll let you know if you should press buy. Quick buy. Yeah, I did. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. You can, but we wouldn't recommend it. There. Yeah. And then press modify R. Yeah. There you go. Zachary, if we get tapped in, make sure you adjust your sell stop. Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh. It's gonna tap us in. Get there. Give me my money back. Shaco's gonna learn this feeling of like, go, 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 go. Oh my god. No. No. Look at Shaco's screen. It's literally on the line. How did it not tap him in? Bro, no way. Oh, here we go. 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 It's in.
Order filled.
Yep, now you're in. Now you're in. Like, it's almost guaranteed 70% of the time you're guaranteed to go down then up, so you're good. But like 70% of the time you're guaranteed to go always up. That's true. That's true. Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay. You know what's nice though? It did take away that fair value up. So hopefully it can bounce here. 1.5 is a lock. Remember that. 1.5 is a lock. Good. That's good. No. You can't edit your stops? Oh, you have too many orders on your screen. That's why. That's probably why. Yeah, delete one of them. It'll probably help. No, delete. You can't? Delete the top one. That one above it. I can barely see your screen. Why can't I see your screen more? For some reason, your screen's like. I hate how Google Meets you can't like pick a screen to watch. If it like forces you to watch one. Perfect. No, go. Go to TP. Oh, he's 0? Oh, no. Oh. Oh, hi. Oh, shoot. Oh, 240. Let's go. Oh. Pickle's getting a funded account. Let's go. I know. I literally told you, Zachary, too. I was like, what? I was like, dude, he's gonna have some mess up, like some stupid mess up on the, because he's learning. Because as you're learning it, literally, like, because you just don't know what you don't know, right, Nate? Like, you'll accidentally blow your account. I did that so many times when I was first learning. I accidentally opened up like a 20 NQ position, and I was like, and like in 1 second, I blew my account. And I was like, what happened? I was like, where did my account go? And I didn't even realize I blew it. Zachary, once I hit the 1.5 TP, my next TP will be 50 points. I'm going to take off 1 contract. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I don't care what you do. I hope you do. You could go 300 points to the downside. Why not me? This order block that's about to form? It's like, this is more than I make in a day. This is more than I make in a day. All right, shut up. Hey, Nate, get on him. I can't even see your screen, Zachary. It's a tiny little tile. I don't know what. Oh, did you move your TP? Yeah, exactly. And he's up actually like $1,000 you can actually get paid out. Like, I have 4 accounts that are funded, Nate, and Zachary has, how many do you have, Zachary? So like whatever we make in 1 account, you multiply that by however many funded we have, and that's how much money we actually made. Yeah, and you're not looking to necessarily take like huge trades, like make $1,000. $200 on 20 accounts is a lot of money. Oh my gosh, TradeSyncer is gonna get so mad at you. Well, they will throttle you if you do too many orders. Yeah, because you're so in your thing you're maxed on how many limit orders you can put per like minute. And you just put a lot. So you got to take however many limit orders you did on one account, multiply that by however many accounts are copying, and they can throttle you. That'd be sick. We'd be risking like nothing on this if we can move it up one more. We should be solid for 240. We should, based on our model's probability of it. Oh, we got 3 minutes left on this candle. Oh. And then it'll go to our TP. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There you go. Look at that, Shankle. Look at you. Do the 1 minute. We need the 1 minute to break above these highs it keeps forming. Yeah, that went. We need the 1 minute to break above 229.75. Not below where it's heading. 206.75. Oh, but it did form a unicorn there. Maybe to hold that bullish unicorn. Huh? I'm just looking at the 1 minute chart to see like what it was. It's just playing around. It's making you sweat. You know, it's gotta make Nate sweat a little. You know, he's a new guy. They're like, we gotta make him like earn this. It's the initiation, yeah. Might actually blow the count. If your order disappears, yeah. It's gonna give us an order block right here. We can move up. That's what it's doing. Yeah, well, you lost. So you It's gonna go. There we go. The first trade we get is the first one that decides to not work today. Yeah, it's 1.5. Bro, 1.5 is coming. It's a lock. You know this. Look. Look. It's gonna give us an order block here. Let me see the 1 minute. Ooh. We'll see. We'll see what this candle does. Yeah, it might not be good. Yeah. Hacker's tweaking. Nate's going back to his 9 to 5. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we're probably gonna get stopped out. Yep. We're gonna get stopped out. If we get stopped out, I'm gonna be switching for a change in state to the downside. Yep, here it goes. All right. I'm gonna. How did you do that? Is it a short that's going down? You're in a short? That's not too bad, I don't think. If we get the change in state, you should be alright. We did technically get a change in state at 11:05. So. Yeah, your account's good. One minute, 50 seconds. What'd you say? Oh, yeah. I hope in the next minute we get this change in state. All right, see what happens here. I don't know. I just put in a. You might want to close Zachary before you just. Hey, who's that? Oh.
Order filled.
I thought you were like on Nate's computer or something. I was like, who's saying hi? Are you on Lima's? Oh yeah, Lima's. No, I do. That's why I was like kind of confused. Well, let's see if this change in state works. Might get stopped out right here. Oh my. That's a bummer. No way, is this actually gonna stop me out? No
Stop
way.
filled.
Alright, I'm gonna be a little patient here. Huh. The first two trades we're actually able to take. Don't. That's so annoying. I'm gonna wait for it to kind of get out of this chop before I take another trade because it has multiple change in states right back to back. So I'm gonna kind of wait for it to see what it does here. I'm gonna take off these executions. I don't like having them. Some points. What we got? No. We got break got. After that bearish one would have worked after super liquidity. Right here. Right there. You got really close to your stop loss. Just back-to-back change in city deliveries. 1, 2, 3 in a row. Taking first TP right here at this liquidity would have fit. Zachary, that unicorn thing I did that I've been telling you about on the 1 minute, set up for one on the 1 minute, and we would have that would have been 3 winning trades this morning on that unicorn model. I'm kind of. Well, no, yours might be a little different. I don't know. You guys just look at what your drawdown is, whatever your max loss limit is at. So you got to look at how much you buffer you have. That's why it's like helpful to stay at the lower M and Q. Like for me, I still have. Did you have 2 sell stops? Did you? I don't know. I was just about to give us a 4th change in city delivery in a row. What time is it? 8:30. That's rough. Mm-hmm. Gonna do here. This is a unicorn indicator. NCT unicorn model. Yeah. Will it show? Okay. Oh, right here. This is the target entry. You got stopped out on that one. Yep. Yep, there's a unicorn there. On the 1 minute. Okay, it shows that unicorn. Yeah, that's frustrating. No, not necessarily. That's like 3 trades of you trading it with $900. It's like 3 trades of you, trading with like $200 risk. Because as you go up, your drawdown will grow with you. With I'm gonna do a buy limit here. I think we're finally getting a breakout. Yeah, I'm gonna do try to take this change in state. Uh, 11:20 a.m. candle at the wick. I'm putting it in. It's in. You might still have some of your blown accounts connected to your TradeZella. It's 50 points. Be 100. Oh, you're in? How'd you get tapped in? That's okay. This is in the corner mad.
Order
Tap
filled.
me in. Let's see. I swear, if this one goes straight to stop loss again, I'll be like, what? Good thing is that 5-minute candle closed above the highs to left, so hopefully. Let's see the 1 minute. 1 minute closed above the highs to left. We're testing a 1 minute fair value gap. All right. Hopefully, it looks good on the 1 minute. It looks like we broke out of that consolidation after some manipulation too. So hopefully we get distribution out of the upside. And hopefully we can get an inversion. We can add. Beautiful, beautiful candle. Come on. We deserve this. Come on. I don't know if you were asking, but I need a $600 trade. This is looking good though. This is looking really good. Hopefully it keeps this momentum. If we could break above that candle that we had to change the state on, that'd be cool. You know what's crazy though? It's going to 1.5. It is, literally. It's almost there. Dude. It was a manipulation. It was a manipulation move to sweep liquidity before they push it. Yeah. You know what I'm thinking right now is like, what if we didn't move stops until it hits 1.5? Because we know it's gonna, right? Like it almost always hits. You said that? I don't remember that. But we wait until it hits 1.5, then move it. Because right now we're moving it based on order blocks, which is not a bad thing. But if we would have waited until it hit 1. I mean, if it does hit, it should hit 1.5 here. And then we move stops up, that would have been a little bit better. Yeah, you would be green. Okay. Come on. Come on. Take away that fair value gap. Give us an order block. I'm out. There we go. Yes. Bounce out of the fair value gap. Yes. You know, hold that. And invert that tiny 1 minute fair value gap. Minutes of 4 candles, 3.5 minutes of 4 more candles. No, I don't think so. Depending on how this 1 minute candle closes, I think we're okay. Change of state. Let me check the 1 hour 2. Give us an order block here on the 5 and invert. How did that blow my account? I still have $91 in drawdown. Why did it close my trade? One minute just gave a good inversion. Inversion to the downside. It did just test an order block. Hopefully this order block can hold on the 1 minute before and it pushes up, but we'll see. It could, but I'm just watching the 1 minute of what it's kind of doing. But the 1 minute just tapped into an order block and it could bounce here to the upside for us. And if the 1 minute can invert, it just made a fair value gap to the downside. If it can invert this to the upside, that could be good. But if it also does a change in state to the downside, it probably means we're gonna get stopped out. Yes. There we go. Okay, 10 seconds. Looks like this 1 minute's gonna invert it to the upside. Yes. There we go. 3. Yes. Good job. 1 minute. Let's go. This is good. Okay. We just got good confirmation on the 1 minute. Now hopefully it holds through on the 5. Test it. Now push. Oh, you're red? Oh, because you entered on the... It's looking good though right now. You should be almost back to green. There's one more little 1 minute fair value gap. Hopefully you can invert that one too. It's very small though. It's not even probably a point. Come on, 1 minute. There we go. There we go. Yes. There we go. Give us this order block. Yes. Point 5 is a lock. Oh, wait, no, it hasn't hit it yet. It's close. It's that black line. It's 1.5. Hopefully we can get an order block right here. We can move stops up a little bit. Like 4 points probably. $6.5 points we can move up. No, yesterday remember yesterday we took a couple inversions once it reversed. Seconds. All right, the 1 minute broke structure to the upside. Not displacing like we wanted to. Okay. Yeah, like it did this morning. I'm gonna go to the restroom real fast. Don't give us a change of state to the downside. Don't do that. Give us a little bearish candle and then push up. Don't take away the bearish candle. Just leave a little one and then push. Come on. Bounce off. Fail to invert. Fail it. Fail to invert that. I want this 1 minute to fail to invert this fair value gap. Oh, it did. Did it? I don't think it changed the state of delivery though. I think it's just short, or it's like perfectly equal. Yeah, it's like perfectly equal. Okay, please give us a change of state to the upside here. Bitcoin back at 120. Let's go. Oh, yes. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 120. 8 hours and 3 minutes. So in 8 hours. Notify. We're probably gonna get stopped out here. If we get stopped out, I guess I'm gonna go short. Let's do the model. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. Maybe not. Nope, we're stopped out. It does something crazy here and bounces. Maybe not. This would be crazy if it bounces here and gives us an order block. That'd be perfect. Come on, give us an order block here. Oh my gosh, it could. No.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
All right, hopefully it can give us an inversion down here on this 5 minute. What? You're funded? Are you sure? Yeah, I was like, I don't think you did. Maybe just stop trading for the day and maybe wait for tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, that one's good. Bro, no way it's gonna bounce from that. There ain't no way it's gonna bounce off that 5 value gap like that. Entry. Not today. Yeah, it's been a couple days. That's not true. Actually, Monday last week when I looked, would have been a green day. Tuesday would have been a green day, and they would have been good enough that your losses for the rest of the week shouldn't have been outweighed. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it has been fun. I lost $152. Yeah. I don't know if that drawdown though would have blown it on that one candle. Blown the accounts. You don't think so? Let me see. Where's our entry? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the one they were using. No, I think they are. I don't know. I think they like gold better. I think they've kind of just gone to gold. majority of the trading. Give me an order block. Give me this order block. Yeah, I went short. Yeah, it had a change in state to the downside, so I'm just gonna do it, and I'm down. I'm down $30. Okay. Yeah, stops are at the order block of 11:45 wick. My entry was at the 11:25 a.m. candle for the order block, which actually you could have entered on the CISD on the 11:45 candle. I put it on the higher one because I didn't know if it would retrace that far, but actually would have worked out too. So $11:45 a.m. wick. I'm looking for 50 points first TP, which is the liquidity to the left, so it lines up with that liquidity. Then next TP will probably be the like 10:05 a.m. wick candle and that liquidity, and then the one after that would probably be 100 points if it decides to go that far. But I'm just trying to see if we tap liquidity first. But hopefully we can get an order block here soon and move stops down, take off a lot of risk, and then getting it. Ideally, next thing would be an inversion after that. Because what I think price also did is it tapped in that 1 hour fair value gap to the downside, the massive bearish 1 hour fair value gap, and if it decides to respect it and push through, this could be a continuation of this morning's big move. $350. Well, not bad. But it's nothing that's not recoverable. Like this trade, if it plays out, could probably put me to break even for the day. And maybe a little green. Kind of like yesterday. We only got about 50 minutes left anyways of trading. Yes, we're going to hopefully be able to move stops down. Let's go. Can we hit one TP today? And if we get an inversion, I'll do what we did yesterday. I'll add one contract to every inversion that happens. Really hope we get an order block here. We can move stops down. That'd be sweet. we can catch this hour continuation move, that'd be really good. Maybe target another day low. $17 down there. Beautiful. One and a half minutes. Come on. And this is the trade I didn't have time to add other accounts. So this is the trade that's gonna win, and this is the trade that's not gonna let me get funded accounts. This is gonna be sick. Yeah. This would actually be the first day of trading that I didn't get it funded in the last 5 days of trading. That will come. I'm not worried about that. Like for me, I still have $49,300 and more in each account. My lowest account is $49,300. So like for me, I know like I can get. Oh, my stops down. Like the payout will come as long as you just stay disciplined and stick to it. I would just love to be done doing these evals. So then we can just have 20 accounts. We're not continuously paying like the $30. And then we're just focusing on growing these accounts. Stop loss now is here. If it does, I'll be like, if it does stop me up, I will be done for the day. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'll text you. Oh yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. We got stopped out.
Stop field.
That's crazy. No, we're not doing anything wrong. It's just not playing out. All right. Oh, yeah, we did one trade. Let's see, how many trades did we do? Orders filled. We did. Oh wait, I can look over here. We did. All right. So yeah, 6 trades. 6 trades today, and they did not play out. That's a bummer. At that point, you keep going further from $400. It's gonna make it much more difficult to get out of the hole that makes you. So for me, I'm stopping at $400 loss for the day. And hopefully tomorrow's a better day. These trades just didn't play out today. Not even our inversion yet hasn't even played out here. The only trade that played out today was this inversion, this first candle inversion over here, which we hesitated to take because it was the market open, and it was super wide stop losses, and would have lost us. Like the risk to reward wasn't equal there. So for me, that's why we didn't take this, and it's the opening candle. And so many times at opening candle, I've seen the second candle of the market literally retrace the whole thing. So that's why I wanted to be a little bit more patient. We tried to take the CISD here, didn't tap us in. We tried to take this inversion, never tapped us in. It got very close, but didn't tap us in. Then we thought maybe here we'd get a reversal, try to catch a CISD here, never tapped us in. Got this inversion, and since then it's been just chop. It's been chopped since here. So it could potentially tap this 1.5 inversion here, which is this line right up here, which would be the first target of that one inversion. But we trailed stops to order blocks as it moved up, and those didn't play out. And then we took little trades within here on change in states, and those also did not work out. So today's kind of a bummer day. It's a red day. No funded accounts today, but it's gonna happen. And again, with the losing days, with losing trades and stuff, we stay patient. We don't let it get to us. We stay disciplined in our trading model, and then we execute tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow is a better day than what it is today. So then better than what today was. So today, what I'm gonna be doing, since today's kind of a bummer day, I'm gonna probably go take a break from the computer real fast because I've been sitting here for a while. Go take a break, go move around, and then one of my things I like to do is just go back through and backtest, do some backtesting, get some more data on my model. Is there some tweaks we should do? Is there something we need to change? Is there something we could do better? We don't change much about the model. We just make little tweaks. There is a model I have known about for a while now, probably 3 months. And I've struggled. It's a model that's kind of hard to spot if you don't know how to spot it. But I've learned how to spot it over these last 3 months much better. And today, let me hide these. I saw it play out twice today. Actually 3 times today, and they all played out very well. So let me explain this model to you. So I'm gonna create a little box. What is going on here? Okay. We're gonna make it this color. This will be the model. So we have this guy. Oh, thank you so much for the follow, Neely. Thank you so much. So we got this guy. This is a breaker block that I'm marking out. And then you have over here, little fair value gaps. Okay. And this fair value gap right here. Boom. This is what's called, I've mentioned it many times in my stream. Oh, this magnet's driving me crazy. Can I make a weak magnet? There we go. This is what's called the unicorn. The unicorn had one here on this breaker block, which created several fair value gaps in between here. We also have this fair value gap right here. We have 3 fair value gaps within this breaker block. And then we also have this breaker block right here that has 2 fair value gaps in it. This breaker block would have worked, or unicorn So you have a total of 2 unicorns here. This one and this one up here. Both of them. So there's some things that have to happen with unicorns in order for them to work out. You need, one, a higher time frame footprint. We have a 1 day fair value gap this happened in. Okay. A sweep of liquidity, right? So we had a push up here. Price came back down, swept this liquidity here, failed to displace, then ripped up, gave us fair value gaps, creating a unicorn number 1. That one, if you add your position here, boom, you target external range liquidity right there. Okay, that's 1.39R. You could take a partial TP at liquidity and then trail as price continues on onto the higher time frame on like order blocks, right? You can trail, you can trail the higher time frame order blocks, right? So you could have trailed your stops up here, then trailed stops up here. You would have gotten stopped out, but still, it's an excellent trade because you entered on the 1 minute. Okay, so that's your first unicorn you got. Then the second unicorn right here stops to the bottom of this this breaker block here. Would have tapped you in right here. Boom. What do we target? Liquidity. Here's your first liquidity. You're getting at a 0.95R, so almost a 1-to-1 there. Then once you take partial TP, you can see if you can hold it and trail stops on a higher time frame. Hence the 5-minute time frame trail of stops. You trail stops up to here, trail stops here. And yeah, you would have had a winning trade there too. Then let me delete all this stuff. I've been watching these unicorns. Then go back down to the 1 minute. You have a bearish unicorn that plays out. Where is it? I think it's right here. You have this fair value gap. This unicorn. No, that one would have got stopped out. There was one unicorn. Oh wait. Where is it? So here you have push up, breaker block, no fair value gap, no fair value gap. Ah, this one right here. This is the one that I'm talking about. So boom, breaker block right here. Fair value gap created off the breaker block. Okay. You have a sweep of liquidity, right? It made a high, moved down, swept liquidity, then gives you the unicorn. You get tapped in here. Stops would go to the high. So you go, oh my gosh, why are they so long? Okay. Stops go there. You get close to your stop loss, but then you target external range liquidity. Boom, that's a 2.5R trade right there. Take partial TPs, then trail stops on higher time frame order blocks, right? And do you get one? Yeah, you get one right here. Stops would have been here. You would have gotten stopped out, but you would have been locked in profit, and you would have been able to take a partial TP at here. Let's see. Is there even a bullish unicorn that ends up showing up? Yeah, but it's not in really a higher time frame point of interest because this one was happened in higher time frame point of interest. Right, so you go down to the 1 minute. What did price do? Price tapped into a higher time frame point of interest, created the breaker block, cleared the fair value gap, boom, you enter target external range liquidity. That's the key thing. You got to line it up with a higher time frame point of interest. This one, there is one right here. This unicorn would have failed. You would have gotten, actually, no, it wouldn't have. Let me see. Let's see if this one failed too. So breaker block. Fair value gap. Okay. Short. Goes here, stop loss. This one would have worked too. Target external range liquidity. Boom. You would have gotten very close to your stop loss. But this one would have worked too. Tapped into the higher time frame point of interest. Sweep of liquidity. Again, swept liquidity to the left. Rejected off, creating the unicorn. You get tapped in on this candle. You sit and draw down for a while, almost getting stopped out. Then it rushes down to your first TP. Then you can trail, you know, higher time. Oh my gosh, that's so frustrating. That's really frustrating right there. Thought this out right before it ran. That is frustrating. And it's going to invert. Oh man, that's so frustrating. Happens, but yeah, that unicorn would have worked here too. You have this unicorn. Do you have even another one? This one wouldn't have worked, but you're also not at a higher time frame point of interest. Yeah. Dang. So that's why I'm really liking this. I've been watching these unicorns. Right there, that's 4 trades this morning on the unicorn model that all would have played out, giving you almost like 7 to 8 R wins. Didn't invert anyways. Oh man, that's so frustrating. And I wonder if we're tapping that day fair value up. I wonder if we're about to get a unicorn again. I wonder if there's a unicorn over here. I don't know. We'll see what it does here. But yeah, that's what I want to look into, this unicorn model. I think it will work out. It's a very high probability trade if it plays out and it happens. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it for today. Today's a bummer day, but oh well, we'll come back tomorrow. All right, everyone.